The 2025 BMW M8 stands as a symbol of performance and prestige, bringing together raw power, luxury, and cutting-edge technology into one astonishing package. BMW hasn't just updated the M8, they've refined it to perfection. At first glance, the aggressive stance grabs your attention. The wide kidney grills, laser headlights, sculpted hood lines, and massive air intakes all hint at what lies beneath. A handcrafted 4.4-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine that delivers a heart-pounding 617 horsepower. It's not just about numbers, it's about how they translate to the road. From 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.0 seconds. The M8 Coupe is blisteringly fast yet composed. BMW's xDrive all-wheel drive system is standard, but with the ability to shift to rear-wheel drive at the touch of a button, drivers can enjoy either confidence-inspiring traction or pure driving thrill. Whether it's winding mountain roads or a flat-out sprint on the Autobahn, the M8 handles it with authority. The adaptive M suspension continuously adjusts to your driving style and road conditions, giving the perfect balance of comfort and control. Step inside, and the cabin speaks fluent luxury. Merino leather upholstery wraps the sculpted M seats, and carbon fiber details add a touch of motorsport influence. The 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and the large 14.9-inch curved touchscreen dominate the dash, powered by BMW's latest iDrive 9. It's smarter, faster, and more intuitive than ever, offering voice control, gesture commands, and seamless smartphone integration. Ambient lighting, a Bowers & Wilkins Diamond surround sound system, and automatic climate zones complete the experience, turning every drive into a first-class journey. Safety and driver assist technologies have also been upgraded for 2025, with features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot detection, and automatic emergency braking. The M8 isn't just about performance, it's about protection. And for those looking for customization, BMW offers a wide range of options, from exclusive paint finishes to M-Carbon exterior packages, ensuring your M8 is as unique as your driving style, whether you choose the coupe, convertible, or the ultra-luxurious. Grand Coupe, the 2025 BMW M8 delivers a driving experience that's as refined as it is thrilling. It's not just a car, it's a statement. A masterclass in engineering and design, the M8 stands at the pinnacle of BMW's M division. For those who demand the best of both worlds, track level, performance, and daily usability, the M8 remains an uncompromising champion.